Hello, Isai. Welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya, and in this video, I want to share with you some information that you can actually use to improve your online presence and attract more customers. So, we'll be covering your website, the front page, content, the Google Business Profile, and backlinks. So, let's start with your website. I can see here that you are using the one that is given out by Google, and that has actually the click to call button over here, directions, the name of the company, operation hours. Then you can add some testimonials and some reviews. Well, Google does this automatically. And then the pictures that you have uploaded here, which are very nice, by the way. And then the directions and the click to call button over here. Now, in terms of content, this front page has 163 words. So there are a few things to say about this. The content is important because it's through content that you are able to push through more relevant buyer intent keywords. So when I come here and actually look at your front page, apart from the review that you don't have anything else. So you have 163 words, but it's not really telling, it doesn't really have any buyer intent keywords. If I have a look at two of your competitors, for example, AMS, AZ Loans, these guys have 1,125 words, and Mountainscapers, these guys have 838 words. So basically, if you think about having a website that is responsive and that is secure for people to navigate in, then you should be considering adding more and more relevant content. And what I mean by that is that I came here to Google search and I type in Landscaping Phoenix, which is a buyer intent keyword. And the first section that you see is usually the Google ads, which are really good at driving traffic and landing and generating leads quickly. Then the second section is the Google Maps. And this section is driving 30 to 40% of the traffic. And to rank here, you need optimize and geotag pictures, you need reviews, and you also need to have or to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages and all of those. And the name, address, and phone number need to match those on your Google Business Profile so that Google can verify these details, and then you can rank at the top. And you can see here that actually Mountainscapers Landscaping is the top business in the Google Business Profile or the map pack. Now, this section is what we know as the Google Organic Search, and here is where I found the two companies. So AMS Landscaping and Mountainscapers. So to rank here, they have the website, they have the content, then they also must have something that we call backlinks. So I have a tool called Ahrefs, and in this tool, I can analyze the backend of a website, and I can see that your website does not have any backlinks and has 0 organic keywords. This rating over here belongs to Google because this website is from the Google platform, that the one that is provided by Google. So that's why you have this rating in terms of power or domain rating over here. But apart from that, just looking at your website alone, it doesn't have backlinks and it's not ranking for any keyword. If I have a look at AMS, these guys have 2,100 backlinks and 330 referring domains. And Mountainscapers have 889 backlinks in 89 referring domains. So what is a backlink? A backlink is nothing else than a link on another website that is pointing to, in this case, to AMS Landscaping. And it's a mechanism that Google has to identify which website is the most relevant result depending or according to the search that Google users are performing. So it is important to focus not only on the backlink profile, but just making sure, not only having more backlinks, but also having more relevant and more powerful backlinks sitting on websites that are related to the services that you provide so that Google can give you extra credit for this and can start regarding your website as an authority in the relevant topic. Now, the other section that I wanted to show you is the organic keywords. So AMS Landscaping is being found for 4,800 organic keywords, and in this view I can see what those keywords are. The volume is the number of times this keyword is searched for per month, and the position is in which position your website is appearing in the Google Organic Search. So I can see here, for example, that for example, Landscaping Phoenix is searched for 600 times per month, and because they're in the third position, they were able to drive 112 visits to their website. Phoenix Landscaping has a search volume of 900. They are in the fifth position, and they were able to drive 92 visits to their website. So basically, what you want to do is that you want to identify what are those keywords that have a high search volume so that you can include them as part of the content of your website, because that means that Google is going to be able to find you. And then if you build a backlink profile, you're going to be able to rank at the top, meaning that your website is going to be in front of more potential customers more often. And then a percentage of those customers are going to end up in your website. Another percentage is going to call you. And then another percentage is going to, depending on your closing rate, you will be able to convert into new customers. And that's how traffic translates into the growth of your company. So, Isaí, I hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use the information to actually improve your website. And please don't forget to give me some feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.